How to enable or disable flash the time separator on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Okay, you can see below. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Control Center. In Control Center, okay, scroll down and below you can see the menu bar only section. In menu bar only section, you can see here the clock. And on the right side of this, you can see the clock option button. Okay, you'll have to do is click this and the pop-up are show. In pop-up, you can see the time, and time section, you can see the plus the time separators. And the plus the time separators is disabled. To enable this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on this button on the right side and click done to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled the plus the time separator on MacBook Air. And if you want to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is go to clock option button again and turn off the switch button on the right side and click done to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled plus the time separator on MacBook Air.